All right, so I just got back from the store. I bought this Elmer's wood filler. It's stainable and paintable. I like it. It's nice and soft. I started redoing my holes back here. I'm gonna leave, the natural pieces like that. I'm gonna leave that like that. I like that. But what I'm doing now is working on this crack on the top, this seam from where I'm just working it down into that crack to make sure there's enough in there so that when I sand it, I don't sand just the top part off. Okay. Okay, I get that all worked in really good. And then go over it with my putty knife just to scrape the excess off. Right? And you know what that's doing for me too? It's showing me that the low part is on that side of this board. Right? And that's kind of important for me. So when I sand, I'll know when they're flush because this will pretty much all disappear. Okay, so there's a nail hole that I punched in a little bit. This is all, it'll dry quickly, it says on the package. Kind of messy on your fingers. Make sure you put a drop cloth down if you're doing this inside. Now typically when I'm doing just filling nail holes, and since I don't have my tripod, what I typically do is push as much in there as I can, and then with my finger over the hole, scrape the excess off with my putty knife. But this is going pretty good now. Nice. Okay, let me get to it. I got just a little bit more to finish up, and then that some cracks on the end over here where the light switches are. Not a big deal because that's kind of hidden, but let me finish it up.